Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So there I was at home minding my own business, watching some YouTube videos, and what happened? I'll tell you what happened. I was tagged by your MOOREGIRL. So the tag is called the HOME DECOR TAG. And it was created by Diva, Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. So I'm looking down because I have the questions here. So I took a few minutes to come outside. We have a nice day today here in the Northeast. Let's see how long this lasts, because you know it could be snowing tomorrow. So let's get to the questions, MOOREGIRL. And they are: what are your top 3 favorite decor stores? Home Goods, Marshalls. I'm also going to say, just like the MOOREGIRL, I'm going to say Goodwill. I get a lot of things at Goodwill. I get a lot of stuff at Goodwill. But I would say, you know, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls are all part of the same family. But I would say Home Goods, Marshalls, Goodwill. Okay. Number 2, what is your most favorite piece of home decor you have ever bought? My favorite has to be, are we counting furniture? Because if we count furniture, I am going to say a dining room set that I got from a thrift store. God, how many years has it been? It has been about, I have it in the current house and I had it in my last house. So I'd say it has to be about 15 or 20 years, maybe 20 years. It was, I didn't even know it until I got the chairs reupholstered, that it was by some design called Biedermeier, and the guy who upholstered my chairs told me about that. So I absolutely love it. Number 3, do you currently own a piece of home decor that you no longer like and may get rid of? Yeah, some things I put in my garage. I had a lot of wall decor that I at one time was really into, a lot of African inspired art, and I had a lot of that in my family room at one time, and I've taken most of it down. It's in the garage. I may get rid of some of that. It was I had a lot of it. It was in my family room, in the hallway leading to the family room, so I may get rid of some of that. Number 4, what is the most expensive piece of home decor that you have ever bought? Are we counting furniture? We're not counting furniture. I don't know if we're counting furniture or not. You know, Macy's, I like Macy's Home Store as well for furniture. I've bought several, 1, 2, 3 different living room sets from Macy's Home Store. If we're counting home decor and furniture, then it would have to be those sofa love seat sets that I bought from Macy's a few years ago. What is the best bargain you've ever got on a piece of home decor? I've gotten some free things. Free things from some stores. There's one store that I go into called Country Bumpkin, and it's pretty hit or miss, as most of these stores are. From time to time she will have furniture, and from time to time she will have clothing, and you really have to look for it. Well, one day I went in there and I spotted these 2 black cashmere coats, both long coats, both cashmere, and she said take each one for $10. I took those things so fast, took them to the cleaners. They looked like $1,000,000. 2 black cashmere coats. They're beautiful. So those are probably the best thing I've ever seen. My best bargain. Over the years, how has your style and home decor changed, or has it stayed the same? It's changed. It's changed. I remember I used to be really, as I said, I had that African stuff in my African decor in my family room. I've taken that down and it's changed. The colors also have changed. I'm more into lighter colors now. I would say, you know, I love the grays. I love a lot of white now. Not that I didn't always like white, but I would have, at one point I painted the house very earth toned, very light, like beiges and tans and this whole tan family. Now I think I want to change everything and paint, I just want to paint everything white, I think. So it's definitely changed. All right, let me get back to my questions here. Hang with me, guys. I'm still trying to read them off of my iPad. What is, oh, this is funny. What is one decor trend that you wish you could banish? And I want to laugh because I heard the MOOREGIRL talking about farmhouse. I am going to probably agree with that. I'm going to say that farmhouse too. Although there are some pieces that I really like, I don't know that I could have as much as some people have in their homes. There's a sign or two that I'll see in someone's video that is, you know, like the laundry sign. And one day I saw somebody had a grocery sign that I really, really like. But I could take it in small doses, but that would be it. If you could decorate a friend or family member's home, who would it be? I would say baby girl. Baby girl just moved out of the house, and baby girl has a new house that she just moved into with a roommate, and I would love to help her decorate. So baby girl, if you're out there and you're watching this video, I would love to help you decorate. So we'll talk. Number 10. Wait a minute. Number 9. Have you ever donated a home decor piece to Goodwill and realized you should have kept it? Yes. Yes, I did. Some pillows. I recently donated a bunch of pillows to Goodwill. Decorative pillows. I bought so many of them, all in the same design. I'd gotten them from Pier 1 like years ago, and I had so many of them, and then I donated them, and then I said to myself, I probably could have kept those and bought covers for them or made covers for them, but yeah, it's water under the bridge now. I'm sure it went to a good cause. Number 10, if you could open your own home decor store, what would you call it? What would I call it? What would I call it? I want to circle back to that one, because that's a good one. Let me circle back to that one. That's number 10. Hold me to that. If you were granted a shopping wish of going to one of your favorite stores and could choose any item absolutely free, what would you pick? I would probably go to, I've never been to Z Gallery, and everybody screams about Z Gallery. So I would love to go to Z Gallery if that's possible. I don't even know where Z Gallery is around here. So I think I'd like to go to Z Gallery and choose what? I'd probably choose something with mirrors on it, probably a credenza or something with mirrors on it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go online and see if there's something that I really like, and if I can insert it Number 12, do you like or love to find your home decor pieces by thrifting, garage sales, or yard sales? All three, and in that order: thrifting, garage sales, and yard sales. I love thrifting. I love thrifting. You know, I've always gone thrifting, and I will continue to do so. I just love it. Yard sales and garage sales. It really is. It's very, very soothing. It's very soothing to me to do that. You kind of get in the zone, and it's great. Okay, I'm going to circle back to number 10. If you could open your own home decor store, what would you name it? I think I would name it 1310. And it wouldn't be 1310. I would write it out 1310 with the words. And yeah, that's what I would call it, 1310. So those are my answers. Thank you, MOOREGIRL, for tagging me. And again, this was created by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. I have to tag someone, so I am going to tag, and I hope this person hasn't been tagged already. I am going to tag my good friend Phyllis Brown, and I would also like to tag, if she hasn't already been tagged, Mommy from Scratch. So I've tagged you guys. I hope you're looking at this, and thank you for riding with me, and I will see you in my next production. Bye, guys.